Hello everyone, welcome back to today's another new tutorial topic. So today here I'm create is a MySQL for the primary key constant in MySQL the management studio. Okay, so first of all I'm designing for efficient and well structured database. Okay, so just a simple explain for the MySQL the primary key constant is used to uniquely identify its record in a table, and it ensures that no two rows can have the same primary key value. So now just let's explore for how it works with some example. So first of all, here I'm already create for the table structure for the student, and here I'm simply create for the three columns. So first is the student ID is for the primary key, and the secondly here I'm use the student name and also for the email column. Okay. So now here is a primary key for first here the student ID. This column is a primary key for the student table. Okay. And now just here I'm identifying in this table and separation. I'm just trying for the successfully create. So first of all here I'm select and here I'm just select and execute now, and you can see here this command is completely successfully created, and here is a create for the operation is successful and MySQL is create is completely okay. And next step here I'll create another example, and here I'm just adding a primary key constant. So now just here I create the student table, and next step here I'm used for the another table. Just select. So first of all just going here and then select for the database. I'm just going for the cells and also for the table, and here I'm used for the three table. The first is the employees, then products, and also the student table. Okay. So now just execute. So first I type for the another file segment, and here I'm just type this is the alter for here is a table. Okay, and select form here is a employees table. Okay, and then going the next step when I'm just add for this is a primary key. Okay, so define for here is a primary key constant, and in this inside I'm just type for here is emp underscore id. Okay, so now it's simply define, and here first of all I'm select all and then execute now, and just wait, and here I'm mistaken so not choose, so here I'm just following the cells, and then now just I am again, so here I'm just again select and then execute, and you can see here it's already primary key is defined. Okay, so here I'm already defined, so you can see just going for this column inside, and you can see here is already defined for it's called the ID for this is the primary key. Okay, so here is a not is defined already now, and now just I'm going for the next step. Okay, so first of all here I'm inserting the data into a table with the primary key. Okay, so first of all I'm remove this. Okay, so remove this statement and just type this is the insert into. Okay, so here I'm create for the insert into, select for the students table, and in this inside just going for here and check. So first of all here I'm create the primary key, suppose like the student underscore id, it's called the primary key, and also here I'm create the student underscore the main column, and also here I'm define this is the email column. Okay, so this one is perfect, and then going for the next step, and here I'm insert for the some value. So first of all here I'm define for the primary ID for 6, and here I'm use the name for the Zara. Okay, and also here I'm create for the student email. So suppose here I'm like for the Zara at the rate for example.com. Okay, so now here is completely defined, and here I'm use the inserting the new student record to the student table, and here I'm specifying for with the student ID is a primary key and use this attribute, and here now just I am select. Okay, so here I'm just mistakenly not defined this single quotation that must be used. this quotation. So okay, so now this one is perfect. And here I'm just select all and then now just execute. And you can see here the on row is completely affected. Okay. So now just going for again here and open for another new query. And here, first of all, I'll just type this is a select for star from the students table and then execute or select all. Perfectly just execute now and you can see here use for the student ID, the primary key and the student name and also for the email. Okay, so here is a completely create these and next step here I'm use for the update statement now. So just going for here and first of all here I'm use for the just try. So first of all, I'm just type update students and next step here we use for the state then student name. The student underscore the name column is equal to, so here we use for the name is a Jenny. So and also here I create for the where. So use the where statement the student underscore ID is equal to 1. Okay, so now just try. So now just select and then execute and you can see here is affected now. And next step just I am going for here and then just again for execute. So just type is a select star from the student table and then select all and now execute and you can see here okay, so now just mistakenly define this chemical there and now just select all and now just execute and you can see here is use the student ID is just here and now is completely use this and here just use perfectly the primary key constant in the MySQL. And here we use some practical examples. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more SQL, MySQL tips and tricks. Okay. So thank you for watching. Okay.